In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 ways that you could use to grow your YouTube channel. Number 1, writing good titles on the right topic. Why is that important? If you make a good video with a nice quality thumbnail, and let's say you wrote an excellent title, but if your video is on the wrong topic, there's a good chance that your video may not get any views or very little views. So it's very important to choose the right topic. Ask yourself, is there a market for this type of topic? Are people searching for answers relating to this type of topic? Because if there's no market for it, then you're not going to get many views from the search results. The only way your video is going to get traffic is if the YouTube algorithm promotes it or if you promote it yourself. So, if you're uploading videos to YouTube and you're not seeing any significant results, try making a video on a different topic. Branch off into other topics. Explore, experiment, try new things, because that's how you're going to know what works and what doesn't. Now let's talk about how we can find the right topic using the YouTube search bar. Let's take a minute and brainstorm. What do people need help with? What problems can we solve? What questions can we answer? And so let's explore. One example, how to grow your YouTube channel, which is what this video is about. What about how to tie a tie? You could see that there's a market for this if you look at the results that other people are getting with their views. This person got 85 million views in 11 years. So there's a market for this type of video. Let's look at another example. Let's try an educational topic. How to do long division. There are a lot of students who need help with this topic. As you can see, this person got 13 million views in 6 years. And so there's a market for educational topics. How to cook rice and beans. And so as you type certain things in the YouTube search bar, YouTube will give you suggestions as to what people are looking for. So there's a market for teaching people how to cook certain things. So if you just type in how to and then put in different letters, how to add subtitles to a video, how to be a YouTuber, how to code, how to design a logo, how to draw. So when you just type in different letters, you could see what people are looking for on YouTube. And so it gives you some ideas as to what topics you could focus on if you want to make a video that's going to generate views. So that's how you can do some basic keyword research on YouTube. Number 2, video SEO, search engine optimization. When you upload a video to YouTube, it's wise to take a minute to optimize your video so that it ranks well in the search results. So whatever keywords that you put in your title, you want to make sure that those keywords are found in your description and even in the tag section. And also, it's good to mention those keywords in the video itself because YouTube, they can convert the text or the audio that's in your video and make subtitles out of it. So they can know if your video content matches what's in your title. So you want to make sure that your keywords is in the video as well. Now I want to take a minute and talk about something. And this is for those of you who are very serious about building your YouTube channel, because I've created a course that's designed to help you to do just that. So if you go to organic-chemistry.tutor.mykajabi.com, you could find it here. And I recommend that you watch this video. It will give you an overview of this course. But if you choose to buy it, you'll get access to the video content that I have here. In Module 1, I start with the basics, basically explaining how to create a YouTube channel. In Module 2, how to make a YouTube video. If you don't know how to make a YouTube video, you can't really grow your channel. So this is very important. And Module 3, we'll talk about some ideas that you can explore making videos with your phone. Module 4, how to edit a video, how to combine smaller clips into longer ones. And number 5, the focus here will be how to grow your channel and get more views. And there's a lot of videos in this particular module. Module 6 will be how to monetize your channel. And there's many ways to do that. And Module 7, applying key principles that will help grow your channel long term. So for those of you who are interested, feel free to take a look at this when you get a chance. Number 3, create high quality custom thumbnails. Why is this important? Well, let's explain it using an illustration. Imagine you want to buy a house and your realtor is taking you to see this house. And when you get there, you notice that the house doesn't look great on the outside. Even in actuality, it's a very good house on the inside. Would you enter that house? Or would you just drive off to look at another house? A lot of people, if they see a house that they don't like that looks bad on the outside, they're not coming in. You can't get them in. So they're just going to go look at a different house. And the same could be true with a video. They say, never judge a book by its cover, but that's exactly what people tend to do. The cover of your video is the thumbnail. If your thumbnail looks bad, chances are a lot of people won't click on your video to see what it's about, even though you may have a good video, a video that offers very good advice that can help people. So this is why you want to take the time to create an eye-catching quality thumbnail, because it matters. It's going to make the difference of whether or not if people click on your video. So if you make good custom thumbnails, you're going to increase your CTR, your click-through rate, and you're going to get more views. So make the time to create a high-quality custom thumbnail. It matters. Here's a video I created 3 years ago, hydroboration oxidation. This is a topic within organic chemistry. And notice the views that I got in 3 years, 147,000 views in 3 years. So that's about 49,000 views per year. Now here's an older video that I created 5 years ago. I got 101,000 views in 5 years. So that's about 20,000 views per year. So compare the difference between this video and this one. This one is getting about 49,000 views per year. This one's getting about 20,000 views per year. So this one is doing about 2.5 times better than this one. And look at the quality of the thumbnail. As you can see, the thumbnail here, it doesn't look as great or as good as this one. This one appears better. And because the thumbnail looks better, I'm getting more clicks to this video. And also, it's ranking better in the search results. So choosing the right thumbnail matters. And this video is shorter than this one. This one's a 41-minute video. So one thing I've noticed when making a thumbnail is that using larger font attracts more attention. As you can see, the font here is smaller and the font here is bigger. So using titles with bigger font definitely works in catching eyeballs. Number 4, make a lot of high quality video content. If you focus on making good content, the results will come over time. If you have a good track record of giving good advice in your videos, people, they're going to come back to your channel. Whenever they search a new topic, if your video comes up, likely they'll click on your video because you've helped them out in the past. So if you develop a reputation of making good videos, of giving good advice, people will recommend your videos to their friends and your channel is just going to grow. You're going to get more views over time. But this is a long-term strategy. So it's wise to make a lot of high quality video content. Now, here's a question for you. Is it better to focus on quantity or quality? I believe the point of maximum efficiency is to do both. You want to focus on making high quality video content, but you certainly want to increase the quantity of doing that. So you want to make a lot of high quality video content. One good video could do the work of 10 average videos. However, 100 average videos can do better than 5 good videos. So even if you have a lot of average videos, if you make a lot of videos, your channel can still do well. But it will do even better if you make a lot of very good videos, high quality videos. So focus on creating content that helps people. If you practice giving, it's going to come back to you. And there are a lot of ways in which you can give through your videos. You can give advice. You can give knowledge based on your experiences. You can give joy. Funny videos tend to do very well on YouTube. So videos that trigger people's emotions, they tend to do very well on YouTube. So focus on making high quality video content that offers value to the viewer. Now, the last thing that we're going to talk about is encouraging video engagement. Well, what is that? Think of likes, comments, subscribes. When you make good video content, and when people like your video, when they comment on your video, and when they subscribe to your channel, YouTube sees that as positive signals. Those actions are telling YouTube that, hey, this could be a good video. And so they may want to promote your video to other people who may want to see it. They may promote your video on the suggested section, which you could find on the right of a YouTube video, or they may even promote your video on their homepage. So this is why you want to focus on creating high quality content. When you make good videos that help people or that make them feel good by making funny videos, people are going to like your videos. They're going to comment on your videos, and they're going to subscribe, which are positive signals for YouTube, telling them that hey, maybe they should promote this video. It's in their best interest to promote videos that people want to see, because YouTube wants to keep people on their platforms. They want people to watch the videos that are on their platforms. So they're going to naturally promote the videos that people want to see. So let's review some of the things that we've learned today. Number one, make videos on the right topic. Topics that will generate you significant views. And make sure to take the time to write good titles. Number two, the keywords in your titles, you want to make sure that they're also in the description section of your video, in the tags, and within the video itself. Number three, make the time to create good custom thumbnails. It's very important. People tend to judge a book by its cover. Number four, focus on making high quality video content. Content that helps people, that offers useful advice, or that makes them feel good. It's very important that your videos look good not only on the outside, but that they're actually good on the inside as well. And number five, encourage video engagement. Consider encouraging people to like your videos, to comment below, or to subscribe and click on that notification bell. And this is what a lot of popular YouTubers are doing with their audiences. Many of them would say things like, smash that like button. Let me know what your thoughts are about this video in the comments section below. Or subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. And there's a reason why they're doing this. They want people to engage with their videos. They want to generate positive signals in the hopes that the algorithm will promote their video to more people. But you really don't have to do this if you don't want to. If you simply focus on making good, high quality video content, people are going to like your videos anyway. They're going to subscribe to your channel if you offer good advice. And they're they're going to comment if they have questions. So if you just focus on making good stuff, these things will happen by default. You don't have to ask for it. So that's basically it for this video. Now, for those of you who want more useful tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, check out the links in the description section below. I'll be posting a link to my course for those of you who are interested in investing in your education. So feel free to take a look at that when you get a chance.